Nokia is a very old and trustworthy smartphone brand. After disappearing for a few years, Nokia is now all set to make a grand comeback with yet another amazing 5G smartphone. Reports suggest that this new Nokia phone will be packed with tons of exciting features. According to leaks, you're getting a 200-megapixel DSLR camera, along with the most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and the two at an incredibly affordable price. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the Nokia Lumia Max 5G smartphone. If you're excited to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we'll be revealing all the fully leaked specs, price, and launch details of this incredible device. So let's start. Features of Nokia Lumia Max 5G. This smartphone is going to be an absolute stunner in terms of looks. It packs a massive 6.85-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 390Hz touch sampling rate. On top of that, you also get an in-display fingerprint sensor, Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera setup. Now, let's talk cameras. This phone comes with a triple camera setup, featuring a primary 200-megapixel sensor with OIS support, along with a 50-megapixel and a 5-megapixel secondary lens. And for selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera, for ultra-clear selfies and smooth video calls. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by Qualcomm's latest and most powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring buttery-smooth gaming and multitasking. And for software, it runs on Android 16 right out of the box. Battery backup. Fueling this monster is a massive 7000 mAh lithium polymer battery, and guess what? It supports 90-watt fast charging, with a USB Type-C port, so you can juice it up in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, it's expected to be priced around $800. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but leaks suggest it'll drop by the end of this year.